Guys, guys, watch this until the end. I have a story to say. Not a story, actually. Please subscribe to me and just search this. And if you search it already, please subscribe, guys. Please. So I can live. And I will see everyone. I'm just in Philippines. I know how to Bisaya. Bisaya like, salamat, kumusta mo? Pero ako. But my real talk is Bisaya. I just English because I think someone don't understand me. Please subscribe and search this. And if you search it, click it, and you'll see all my videos. Thanks guys. Goodbye.